Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'd like to share a beginner's guide to painting miniatures. I'll walk you through the list of tools to start painting. The first thing you'll need is a set of brushes. You can find basic miniature brushes on Amazon for around 15 to 20 Canadian dollars. In the description below, I've linked a set of brushes that I used when I started my painting journey. While these brushes are not the best, they're perfect for beginners to get started with. Next up, you'll need some paints. I personally use Vallejo paints for their quality and range of colors. Other brands of miniature paints are Citadel, the Army Painter, and more. These can be purchased online or at your local hobby store. Now let's talk about the palette. While you can use any flat surface to mix your paints, I highly recommend using a wet palette. A wet palette keeps your paints moist for longer periods, preventing them from drying out too quickly. You can make one yourself. Grab a plastic container from your local dollar store, place two pieces of paper towel inside, then cover them with a piece of parchment paper. Add water to one corner of the container, allowing it to soak into the paper towel. It's done. Before you start painting, it's important to apply a thin coat of primer paint to your miniature. It helps the paint stick better and gives a smoother finish. Just spray it on a miniature and let it dry. I mostly use white primer from the Army Painter, but any spray can from a hardware store will do. Now the miniature itself. You can either purchase miniatures from hobby stores or online stores. Or if you're feeling adventurous, create your own using clay or other materials. If you have access to a 3D printer, either resin or FBM, you can print your miniature at home. And there you have it, everything you need to start painting miniatures. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips and tricks, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy painting!